Hi everyone, let's solve this problem, convert sorted list to binary search tree. So given this sorted list in the form of a linked list and we need to convert it into a binary search tree. So how can we do that? What you do is, okay, let's take this middle node, right? And whatever is previous to this guys, let's put it inside the left side, right? And whatever is to the right of this middle guys, put everything inside the right of the list. And we can do this recursively, right? So what we can do is, let's build an array like a plain list compared to linked list, because we have to keep accessing this middle node, right? So it will be much easier to do that, and this is very easy common function. Like I've seen, like every time we have to build this kind of function, we just can pass starting and end of what we want to consume, rather than doing this slicing of the list, which actually starts duplicating the list creation, right? So let's jump to the code and we'll see how to solve this problem. Okay, let's get the list first, right? Say okay, input list is self dot give me list. I get the list from this guy. If let's do the edge case first, if not head, I return none, right? And now I have this input list. All I do is I say return self dot give me, okay, BST helper, let's call it BST helper, which will take input list, take the start and length of input, like whatever things we can consume from this input list, right? This is what we are returning to this guy. So all we need to do now is let's write this function BST helper, right? It will take input list, it will take, this is a start, this is the end. I say okay, if start is greater than end, which means, oh, this was some bad configuration with which I called this function, I return none, return none. But if start is equals to end, which means only one node I need to create, I say okay, return, because this is will be a leaf node, I say okay, return tree node of input list of start. Otherwise I need to get access to the middle node. How can I get the mid? This is what I do to get the middle node, right? And now I'll make a root node from this guy, but let's get the left tree first, which is, I say okay, give me a tree from start to mid minus 1, and I say right, you also should give me tree, right? Give me tree from mid plus 1 to whatever was end. So we are maintaining these constraints, and now once I'm done, I just need to return tree node of mid left right. That's all we need to do. Let's get this function done. So okay, def give me list. I say okay, you are only giving me head, I will have this. I say okay, while head is there, l dot append head dot val, right? And head keeps moving, return l. That's all we need to do. Let's see if it works. No man, it's saying wrong answer. What happens? Let's debug it. Okay, I say okay, this list is being created, that is fair. I return it. Say okay, I get that list, and now I pass this from start to end, and if it is greater, I return input list start, that is fair. Otherwise I take the middle node, I form a tree. Oh no, I need to form the root with input list of mid. So my root value at whenever I'm creating the node will come from that mid index, right? So that's the way it should be done. Let's see. Okay, let's submit it. Cool, it does. See you guys in next video.